Good day. My name is Belumi, and I registered for the Lambo Boss Forest Precision class. Yeah, for the class, I wasn't really expecting much though because of the money we paid. Yeah, I wasn't expecting much, but it turns out that the class was one of the best I've ever had so far. Yeah, we had materials that are much more far better than what we bargained for. It was really nice though, and the live trainings were dope. Everything was explanatory. It took us through the process step by step. Yeah, the class was really nice. Yeah, I know about forest before, but this class made me to know more about forest. Yeah, I learned more about synthetic indices and trading volatility. Yeah, and I am very sure that by next year I'll be starting out to trade like too. Thank you, Lambo Boss, for this opportunity. I really appreciate it. You are really one in a million. Thank you, boss.